Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. Let's take a moment to acknowledge that my hair is not in a bun for once. So I had 5 seconds to myself during my work day that I was able to tone my hair, blow dry it, and now I am gonna show you guys how I achieve my easy peasy beach waves. If you've had the chance to sit in my chair, you know that this is my ride or die. This is Hot Tools in the size 1 1/4. I do have this sped up a little bit, but I'm going to take pizza shaped sections so that way it's nice and easy, effortless, and beachy. So you start at the top, you're going to work your way down. I tell my clients that it's kind of like jump rope, so you're going to twist your wrist so that way you don't end up with glam waves. These are more beachy. So I take huge ones in the back because nobody gives a shit about the back of your hair. I focus around the face because that is like your money pieces, and always leave out your ends. That's like the most important if you want this to look effortless and beachy. I usually say that it takes about like 12 good sections to get your whole head done, because if you're taking big enough pieces, you can move through your head pretty quick. Do as I say, not as I do, because I do section my hair into my mouth. I am too lazy to grab a clip at this point, but hey, it looks good in the end, so I have this theory that the trick to longevity is making sure that your iron is properly heated. So make sure and like turn it on and give it a few seconds like before you actually start curling your hair, because I have clients come back and they're like, oh, my hair drops out easier on the left side than the right, but they're starting on the left. So I don't think the temperature is evenly distributed throughout your hair. So yeah, make sure that your iron's warm enough before you go and get started. Side note, let me go ahead and apologize for the resting bitch face that I've got going on. I can't see anymore and I was laser focused on filming you guys a really great tutorial. But now that my curls are all finished, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the VERB Ghost Oil mid-lengths down, and my hair is good for the rest of the week. This will last me about 5 days with no styling. It's already done. It took me under 5 minutes, and yeah, I'm super jazzed to have actually filmed you guys a video.